Alright, so this is going to be a little
Click the Start button to begin your adventure.
tutorial on the adding and subtracting strategies.
Choose an Avenger that will need the fewest steps to solve 100 plus 200.
So basically you have two Avengers, as they call them, to choose from. These represent two different strategies, and they want you to pick the one that would require the least amount of steps. So the orange one is called Amazing Algorithm, and it says it's 3 moves, but really the first move is like a 2-part, because if it's written horizontally, you have to write it vertically and count 7 plus 2, because that's all considered one step. So that's 3 steppers. Subtraction, it's 4 steps because you also have to regroup. So Amazing Algorithm is not going to go often is not going to be the one you select very often. Okay, then you have the landmark jumper, and that's because they get like compatible numbers, is what you may also have heard it. For example, instead of saying 472 plus 307, they changed 307 to 300 because that's really close. And then 300 plus 472 is a lot easier. You just have to remember that in order to change your number to 300, you have to remember that you actually subtracted 7 from your original number. So that means you'll have to go add it back like they did down here at the end. So that required 3 steps, and subtraction also required 4 steps.
Use the examples on the card to help you choose.
So let's talk through some of these. Okay, for 100 plus 200, I'm going to again go with landmark jumper because they're going to count writing the number vertically as an extra step. So landmark jumper is going to be the one you want to pick most of the time. Okay, this button means I need to zap the tree, get it out of your way. Okay, fewest steps, well, this is going to take each one separately, where if I do landmark jumper, it's going to change this number to 500, and then 5 plus 236 is going to be 736, and then you have to remember, alright, I got to also add 6 more because this was the, so again, this one's the easy, faster one, I bet. And we want to jump over the bush. Oops, didn't jump it. Clearly. Okay, so again, I would choose landmark jumper because 492 is really close to 500. So we're going to do that one. And that is that. So again, go with the landmark jumper one. Unfortunately, I don't know what the other, it can't show me the other lessons within this whole number addition strategies lesson. So just do the best you can, and one strategy you can do, because I know you guys know how to regroup, is just pick the landmark jumper most of the time, is what's